kabisa pale watu.
Pole kabisa. Hujambo? Habari yako? Pole.
It is less than 700 and something. So that is how we really pay for the money. So we need a big handicap because into apex body for all circles and cooperatives in Africa. 5 or Kenyan circles. Some people, some members. I'm doing research, I'm investigating. View that you are doing extremely, the circle is doing. So, I'm investigating that one. Technical people can be smart and keep on giving me figures. Kumbe. Figures don't get it, and it has wrong. Yesterday, me, I'm not. So, there you go.
Give a clear guidance on who our single regulator should be.
The ayes have it. Okay, the last proposal relates.
I will give a microphone. And then we are proposing that we pay 1.5. 24, 26, 66. Who is a progressive buyer of shares? Where is he? Ojok. Okay? Is Private Ojok around?
Inform you that this year, through our careful handling of your circle, we made here, we are before the cameras, we don't want to use some names which will cause us trouble. So for us, we don't make profit. You press people don't go and say, Wazalendo Circle made a profit. Ours is a humble surplus. Ours is a humble surplus. This year, we made a surplus of 72.7 or something billion, not of a million, but billion. After we have served you, after you have, so the circle is doing extremely well.
I was in the police. I tried to introduce it in the police, but I was fought. I found some amorphous thing called, you remember Omodi? Something called Pasar. So, and the beneficiaries were those top people, the directors, not the, am I wrong, Omodi? Not the lower ranks. And me, my concern was the lower ranks. It had no regulations. It was just managed by a few people. I don't want to name their names. And they really made it difficult for Exodus Circle. Take off. Because it was obvious that was the answer. But anyway, so I could not go to Exodus Circle because it was leaping. I kept on at home with my Wazalendo Circle.
I told him that, I'm no longer your deputy. I am a senior presidential advisor. And I cannot be deployed by a minister. I can only be deployed by the president only. He is my appointing authority,
and he's my supervisor. So I said to the police, no, you see, this is it. Those things are done now. We are different levels. But I surely am now there. I am with the former Vice President, Balbaseka. That is our club now. That is our club. No longer here. No longer here. See this? So I have somebody calling me here, Deputy CDF. My friend, you can easily go to pray. I am no longer Deputy CDF. Please, that one I can easily take you to prison because that is demoting me. Just remember that at the end of the day, we shall live. And when you live, you must leave praise behind. And you should live when people are happy with you. You should live with the integrity when they are. Not live with problems. Okay? Very, very important. Let's remain focused on our values that our elders put into us. Remember those. Forget about running after money. It is what of this world. People are running here and there. This man made a quotation that wealth should not command us. Who is this man here? That we should not be commanded by wealth. Not so? But you should command what? What is the problem we are hearing around us is because money is the one driving us. You run here, keep here, get here. I am here. Can't you get me here? And then you find yourself in trouble. You don't need to run around. Another thing I need to talk to you people, just or commanders who are here, officers, the issue of desertion. The director is here, records. We lose a number of soldiers on a monthly basis, which is very worrying. I don't want to mention the figures here because there are some people of Rugambo here. These people of Rugambo, you don't want to. You need to wake up and really look into these things. There's a problem. Why disaster? There is nothing with our money. There is nothing. And first of all, there is no war in Uganda. Where would you think people will be doing what? Running away because of what? The whole country is peaceful. Including Karamoja is peaceful. You can drive at night and everything. But why should people be so just be deserting? Now this is something you must look into. And I think it is all about whether you listen to them. Do you listen to these people's problems? When they want a pass, they have problems at home. When they do you look at them? Do you understand them? It's something you need to really go back and think about it and try to do whatever you can do to stop. Talk to these soldiers and find out what is their problem. So when we hear of desertion with our loans, it's not very good for us.
Ruhanga shitwe, ruhango panam, ruhango koyo. Ori kwera, erizoba twa kushaba kwera. Shumo ije otwe beipere. Nitumanya kuraba na bawe. Hai mukama otwe beipere. Yakar Yahweh, Hai Mukama, Pari Urira, Etwe Kweta, Yakar Yahweh.
Okuva ku lankiri ya Magye General n'ayoba eddaala erya Lieutenant General. Era mu ngeri y'emu n'ayoba obuvunaanyizibwa okugenda okuduumira amagye amakuumaddembe e Somalia gonna gwe tuyita Force Commander. Lieutenant General Kavuma kati abadde Deputy Chief Coordinator wa Operation Creation, omulimu gwa kakalabizza emyaka egiwera ng'esatu oba ena. Ate gwaddira mbegere Lieutenant General Samuel Okudduka yavuddidwa e Somalia ajje abeere omumyuka w'omuduumizi w'amagye oba Deputy CDF obuvunaanyizibwa wagenda okuweebwa oba okutwala mu wiiki eno.